Yes.
Oh, nice to meet you today. Good.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Right.
How are you today?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Yes, I'm pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. Oh, I can see here you chose 5 minute discussion. Is that right?
Yes, right.
That's great. So we have two topics in this lesson. So what would be our first topic?
I would like to choose friendship first.
Friendship. Okay, so I'll be asking a question and some follow-up questions to expand our discussion, okay?
Yes,
And
sure.
we'll have some review after that. All right, so let me ask you the first question. So, do you think having friends is necessary?
Yeah, sure. If you want to,
Uh-huh.
yeah, if you want to be super, I think, if you want, um, if you want to be a good man or good
Mm,
person,
okay.
you should show your personality
Uh-huh.
in some kind of social event,
Social
and
events.
you also can attract your friend or attract
Mm,
people um, who wants to meet you. So I
mm-hmm.
think, yes, um, make the friend must be really important. I
It's
think, right?
important in our life, right? In our lives. Um, I think it's very difficult without friends, right?
Yes, sure, right.
They said no man is an island, right? No man is an
Yes.
island. Have you heard about that? No man is an island.
Oh, no money is island.
No man is an island. It's like an idiom as
No
well.
money.
No man
It's a
is.
phrasal verb or idiom.
It's an idiom, yes. No
Oh,
man
cool.
is an island. So it
No
means
man is an
that
island.
we really need somebody. We don't
Oh,
we were not created alone.
we
Yes.
want to make we want to make friends as much as
Yes. To
possible, right?
socialize. Yes, to
Yes,
socialize.
I
That's
got it. Good. I like it.
Thank you. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Why do you think a friend's what do you think is the friend's purpose in one's life?
In one's life, I think, maybe I would say you only live once, so
Oh,
you need to have
wow.
friends. So
Yeah.
maybe if maybe when you are um in your career and
Yes.
you need your friend help you, or maybe
Exactly.
you can change another job
Yeah.
from your friends because they could recommend you to
Yes, that's
another
true.
job, right?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. It's very true. It happened to me a lot of times, yes.
Yes,
They can help you, you can help them as well, right? That's
yes,
what
indeed.
friends are for. Yeah. All right, so what is a best friend to you? Yeah, how do you explain further a best friend
Uh-huh,
is?
uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Well, from my experience, I think, the best friends who can provide you a piece of suggestion or
Uh,
any other their secret, or
mm-hmm.
even if you have some um, dilemma, they
Okay.
could give you another way to help you, or even
Yes.
try to step in your shoes to
Oh,
think about what
yes.
your situation, or what's your going on, something like that. So I think that the best friend can always help you and know your mindset.
Exactly, exactly. Very well said. Yes, that's true. That is very true. Someone who can give us a piece of advice, right? Or
Yes,
suggestion, especially in a difficult situation.
yes, indeed. Cool.
Yeah, we really need best friends in that
Yes.
particular situation. Very well said. Very good. All right. How about how many best friends do you have?
Well, we would say yes, the best friend, I think just the only one because, the
He's the
best
best. He's the
is
best.
the
Yes.
highest. So
Exactly.
I think I would choose the only one,
Only
and who
one.
is my junior high school classmate. And we just
Right.
always like to share a lot of things or have a chit chat or even hang out
Mm-hmm.
with him. So maybe uh, I have spare time, I would like to eat together in the restaurant,
Yes,
and
exactly.
there is a good vibe. Yeah, to update our news, right?
Exactly, exactly. So we can have like a lot of friends, but it's better to have one best friend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially after graduate, you
Mm.
can't find another one or
Another one, exactly.
another good friend because all the people maybe are your
Mm-hmm.
coworkers,
Ah,
and
yeah. So,
we just only talk about the task or something in the
right.
company, and after we're day off, we
Mm-hmm.
can't hang out with each
Yeah,
other, right?
exactly, exactly. So after having a best friend that's in school, this time at work because you're working
Yes.
now. I see. That's right. Very good. All right. So can you describe one of your closest friends?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay,
Can
good.
you describe?
Like I said, his. I think he has. He is a laid back people, and
Wow.
he
That's
also down to earth,
down to earth. That's
and
right.
who is really welcomes people, even
Mm-hmm.
other strangers.
Mm-hmm.
So they would like to help people who are suffering, maybe
Mm-hmm.
got lost, or he can't know some. He can't really um, understand
Mm-hmm.
some knowledge or some something like problem. So
Mm-hmm.
they would like to help people and try to give them advice,
Uh-huh.
and sometimes they would like he would like to try to invite me
Mm.
to other group. Maybe that group is kind of different.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they are really, I think, uh, I don't know how to say, but he
Mm-hmm.
always like to invite me to another group
Another
because
group.
we have to expand our connection, so we
Okay.
could know other people,
Mm-hmm.
right? To connect your relationship, right?
Oh, all right. So maybe it's like, uh, is it a good recommendation? Like you benefit from being
Yes,
invited?
he gives me a lot of benefit, but
Uh-huh.
sometimes, maybe he can't manage his maybe he can't manage his maybe money, or sometimes there some privacy things,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
she, she, and he always think too much, or
Mm-hmm.
like he didn't have good mm, financial conception, right? So
Ah, like financial
so
management, right?
he would like to
Mm-hmm.
got this salary to
Mm-hmm.
buy a lot of things, and he cannot use his money to post it in the bank or any investment,
Savings.
right?
Okay, I see. So he needs also financial advice, something like that.
Yes.
Ah, okay. All right. So he needs it. There are some people who really needs financial directions or advice.
Yes.
That's very true. Okay. All right, that's great. Another question is, oh, do you have friends also who live in other countries? Foreigners, something like that?
Well, I think just the short term. I think because
Mm-hmm.
probably my friend or my classmate just want that job, so
Mm-hmm.
in order to earn higher money,
Yeah,
so
income,
he
yes.
have to work in the overseas. So we can use some electronics to communicate with each other. But you know, their company can provide a high salary, so
Salary, yes.
he tried to set there some kind of, I don't know how to say it. I checked this word. Sorry.
Okay, no, that's fine. It's okay.
He tried to set property on that country.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe in the future he must come back to our country because
Okay.
his family or his friends,
Mm-hmm.
we are in our hometown.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe he should try to step into next um, level or next
I
step.
see, yes.
He have to come back to my hometown, I think.
Hometown. So he's not really a foreigner, but he just went to another country.
Yeah, just
I see.
earn some money, right?
To earn.
And set the property.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay. All right, this is a very nice question. Or can you please explain the passage? Good friends are hard to find, harder to leave, and impossible to forget. Wow, it's a very
Mm,
nice
well,
phrase.
this question is kind of long. Could you rephrase it? Sorry.
You want to rephrase this one? Good friends are hard to find. This is like a quotation, actually. So this is like a quotation. So the way you explain it is like you rephrase it already, something like that. Yeah. So it's like, how do you understand it? Good friends are hard to find, harder to leave, and impossible to forget.
Okay. Well, I think it really depends on your environment. Maybe in in your career, you are you are a seller, so you can meet a lot of people, and
Mm-hmm.
maybe your customer uh, who is your friend. So
Okay.
I think it really depends on who you are or who you
Yes.
are in some kind of environment or industry,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
right? So maybe if you are always to provide your service, I think
Mm-hmm.
you can easily to find the good friend or even can help you of the friend. I think, right?
Ah, okay. All right, all right. So it could be you as well, right? Like a good
Yeah.
friend to others. Yep.
Yes.
Yes. Well, it's very true because sometimes for example, we meet a lot of people and then we don't know really what their intentions are, right?
Yes.
So sometimes people associate with other people for some interest or they have their own purpose. Okay,
Yes.
but when we gain some friends who are really sincere, like
Oh, there.
sincere to help, okay, and to become part of your life.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe to be a good example, a good influence, good
Yes.
buddy, someone whom we can really trust, something like that. Uh, You said you have a close friend, right? Best
Yeah. Sure.
best friend, right?
Yeah.
So it's like out of many friends that you have, this one is something special, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Sure.
right. So this is your best friend is somehow what being explained by this quotation that it's he is hard to find,
Yes. I
hard
think
to leave,
I think
and
he just
impossible to forget.
I think when you meet the best friend,
Mm,
I think it's kind of a that moment.
mm,
Maybe you are you and his uh just are just the classmate, and
yeah,
after graduate,
right.
we go another school or another career,
Yes,
and maybe you do not have the you do not have connection
yes, yes.
from kind of things.
Right,
So
right.
I think just that moment you
Mm-hmm,
can try to hand out or exchange
mm-hmm.
your mindset, and even maybe just talk about some topic, and
Mm,
we are get some interest, and we are really fond of it, and that's it. We just have fun, so we make the best friend, I think, right? Just
right,
only
right.
the simple things.
That's right. In one word, we can say these people are precious to us. Very important, right?
Right?
Precious, very important. Precious,
Precious.
precious. Yep, precious.
Oh,
Yeah, like
precious.
very important to us.
Oh
Like
yes,
a
precious.
treasure, like a treasure.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that's why
I got this
it's
word.
hard to find, hard to
Yeah, it's
leave,
hard to
and
find.
impossible to forget. Isn't it? You can
Yes,
still
it is.
remember your best friend before, even in high school, the university, or in elementary. You can still remember them, right?
Yes,
Because they are
yes,
hard to forget,
yes. We
right?
are. It's really fun. It's hard to forget that. Right.
Exactly. All right.